Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco, and for today's video we're gonna unbox Nacific, and this is it.
I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one, you was being bad.
So I received this package yesterday, June 21st, 2019. Alright, even though I'm not feeling well because kind of sick, but I already took my medicine. But I'm very excited to try it on and to have glass skin. And I'd like to thank Nacific for giving me this opportunity to try on their whitening set. So, alright. So I haven't really opened it, so that's why I want you guys to witness as well. This is all the way from Korea. Came from Korea. Alright, so there's what's in it. There's another blue box and it looks good. Oh, guys, this is it. The whitening set from Nacific. Oh, so it has like a nest, paper nest. Alright, so this is it, guys. So it has phytoniacin whitening toner, phytoniacin whitening essence, Nacific phytoniacin whitening tone-up cream, and Fresh M soap. There. Okay, so it says here it's brightening, tone balance, moisturizing, and it has mild formula. So niacinamide helps to inhibit melanin pigmentation, and bamboo water extracts provide a refreshing feeling and help to make bright skin tone. This is basically the trial kit, but yeah. Wow. Ta-da! Ching! Alright, this is how it goes. So I'm very excited to try it on now. I'm gonna remove my makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna use this for the very first time. Their Nacific Fresh M soap. About the box, everything is written in Hangul. So this is the soap looks like. It's white and it smells like a whitening soap. Alright guys, so I have completely removed my eye makeup or my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use it on my eyes. It feels good because it glides. Wow. It makes my skin very white because it is indeed moisturizing and brightening. I love that. And next, we're gonna be using phytoniacin whitening toner. And by the way, let me just show it to you. This is, it doesn't smell anything at all, and it feels very moisturizing on my hand. Alright, so we're gonna put it now. And put it like this. Wow, it feels very moisturizing. So can you see that my skin is getting brightened? So I don't have any makeup on. I love it. It's gonna be my holy grail. This is like my first day of using it. Tick-tock. I would say this product, phytoniacin, is very relaxing. At the same time, it's very moisturizing. And as you can see, it can really brighten my skin. So everything is effective, like whatever they have indicated on their set. Because it says here, it says on the box that it is a whitening set. So yeah, you can see the big difference that it has whitened my skin. Alright guys, so I'm so excited for the next one that we're gonna be using. This is what you call phytoniacin whitening essence, and it's my favorite. Yeah, everything is my favorite, and my favorite word is favorite. Take note of that. Here. Here. So wow, it feels cold. I love it. Yeah, it doesn't have any scent at all. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on my face. And here in the Philippines, since we have a very humid climate, so, and I'm in front of the light, so I don't feel really like sticky at all. Look at this. Look at that. Next we're gonna be using is phytoniacin whitening tone-up cream. This is how it looks like. Please focus. So it's sealed. So it's open now. I'm gonna apply it on my skin here so you can see, guys, the up close. Wow. So I'm gonna put it on my face. Wow. So instant Korean glass skin because of Nacific. So I don't really have any makeup on my face. So wow. Alright guys, so everything has been applied on our skin using Nacific whitening set. So alright, so my verdict for this, well, basically this is my first day applying it. So I'm gonna have 2 more days to have it applied on my skin, and yeah. But this time, as you can see, since this is my first day applying it, as you can notice, it has really brightened up my skin, and it's really moisturizing, and I don't have any makeup on, so that's a good thing. And as well as, yeah, it looks like I have BB cream or cushion on my skin. It's gonna be my holy grail now, and so excited for the next day and the following day. Alright, yeah. And I'd like to thank Nacific for giving me this opportunity to have a glass skin, Korean glass skin. You may all get these products from Nacific. I'll put the link in my description below. Alright guys, I don't have any lights on, so my ring light is turned off. So this is how it looks like. I really love this product from Nacific because it really gives me Korean glass skin, and it made my skin very brightened, or yeah, brightened, moisturized at the same time. So as if I have cushion applied on my face. So yeah. Today's date is June 23. So this is my second day applying phytoniacin by Nacific. And this is the last application. So tomorrow it's gonna be my third day using Nacific phytoniacin whitening set. So it's my third day using Nacific whitening set. I have already washed my face using the soap, Fresh M soap. So next is Nacific whitening toner. I actually like it applying on my skin with my palm, using my palm. So you can see the big difference. This is the third day. And next we're gonna be using is the essence. I'm really obsessed with the drops because actually this is my first time having. Whitening tone-up cream. And that's it. Alright, so this is my third day. So what can you say about my skin? Has it brightened my face? Has it moisturized? As you can notice, it has really moisturized my skin. So great job. And of course, if you're gonna apply a lot of moisturizing and a lot of skincare products, don't forget to apply SPF. So again, my current favorite SPF is from Phyto. Alright guys, so if you do like this video and if you learn something about our skincare video content for today, please do hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm always active on my Instagram. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching and see ya on my next video. Bye.